Veo 3 did not just make a random video, it kept the same character consistency across multiple prompts. And that is the game changer most people don't know. And how to pull off? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to create consistent characters in Veo 3. So your AI video feels like actual movies, not a bunch of mismatched clips. Most creators using Veo 3 make one fatal mistake. They type a cool prompt to get one clip and then the character changes completely in the next one. That's killing the storytelling. With consistent characters, you can make short films, build recurring heroes or villains, create ads with the same brand mascot, even make episodic content that feels seamless. So, the secret starts with the base prompt.
Simply at first come to this website.
Okay, so I'll provide the link to the description. So after you have come here, simply add a link, add a prompt to this website and generate an image at first.
It will take a few moments to generate the image.
So as you can see, it has generated two images. If you don't like them, simply generate another prompt and then generate. After that, whatever image you like, drag that to right here and it will analyze the image. After that, simply click on share and it will give another prompt. It will give the description of this image however it likes. Okay, so here's the description that Wish gave me. Simply come to any AI website. I'm using Gemini. So here's another simple prompt for called having the actual prompt. Simply add the image Whisk gave and add that image to Whisk and simply test this prompt. And by the way, I'll provide this prompt in the description. And from here, you'll have to provide the prompt you gave to generate the image in the Whisk. So I'll just copy this prompt and here I'll paste this one. And here's the image description.
Oops, that's a typing mistake.
And to share, you will have to give the description you got from the Whisk. Simply provide that. As you can see, yeah, it's done. Basically, pretty much it's done. Now click on enter and here you can see you'll have to, here's the prompt I use in Whisk and here's the prompt I provided the prompt that I gave to Whisk to generate this image. As you can see, this one. And after that, here's is a image description I received for this image attached. I also have attached the image in this one. And here's the description that Whisk gave me. I have also provided that. As you can see, I would like a detailed video Veo 3 description for a man that can use it in a template for building prompts where I will try to place him in a consistent looking way. Don't worry about wardrobe, just focus on his face. As you can see, okay, it has gave me a simple short prompt, but since we also want to add some voiceovers means since I also want to add voice of him, so I'll just ask some more the questions to Gemini. And don't worry, all of the prompts will be given in the description. This one is how would you write a voice prompt for him for Veo 3? A grizzled man gravely voice, he's told. As you can see, this is the visual prompt and this is the voice prompt. After that, so after it has generated the both prompt, I wrote another prompt which asked to give three more prompts, like one for him, core prompt, and one core prompt for his voice, and the last one which is the core prompt for a cinematic style shot on 35 mm. As you can see, it has generated. Now this is the core prompt for character, for his voice, and for cinematic style. Okay, now then simply I'll just generate some more prompts to make it a little bit easy. Now let's see what it made.
They said it couldn't be done, but if I don't find that artifact, all of this was for nothing. They said it couldn't be done.
Okay, it has generated after releasing video, let's try another prompt. As you can see, it says generated this second video. At last, it made a little mistake. I mean, okay, still, as a new AI model, it's already breaking the rules, to be honest. Okay, let's try another prompt. So that's the last video.
Some things a man carries with him, they ain't heavy, but they weigh you down all the same.
So as you can see, that's how you can create the consistent characters in VO3. And to be honest, consistent characters depends on the consistent description you give. If you can give the perfect description, you will always have the perfect consistent character. And that's how you make VO3 keep your characters consistent across multiple clips. If you can master this, and you're basically story building a film without actors or cameras. So if you found this video helpful, drop a comment with the character you want to paste next. I might just bring it to life in the next video. And if you're serious about leveling up your AI filmmaking, hit the subscribe button because next week I'm testing some more crazy AIs. Head to head for storytelling. And I'll see you in the next one.